Alright folks, here comes Joaquin train 714. Your southbound destination of this train is Bakersfield. Get ready to pass to my hometown at Big Break Road. Here she comes, folks. Yeah. Oh, NPCU leads up this one. Nice. NPCU. 278. Woo. SC44 2102. Woohoo! Nice. There she goes. South to Bakersfield. We'll continue on to Stockton, Modesto, Turlock-Denier, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Hanford, Corcoran, Wasco. And the final destination of this train is Bakersfield. At Bakersfield Station, there are bus connected services towards Southern California, including Union Station and downtown LA. Nice. Love in my hometown, Oakley, folks. Thank you all for watching. I'm out. Till next time. See ya.